Hello again, and welcome to this demonstration of how to create a channel using the IBM Blockchain Platform console. If you've watched our videos on creating a peer in an ordering service, you should have a deployment that looks similar to this one, with one peer org, two CAs, and an ordering service. As with our previous videos, the steps we'll be going through today are from the Build a Network tutorial in the IBM Blockchain Platform documentation. This tutorial will complete the structure you see here, with org1, which we created in our first video, creating a channel to run on our ordering service, which we created in our second video. If you don't know what channels are, they're the place where transactions involving assets happen in the IBM Blockchain Platform. And because channels can be created with a subset of the members of a network, channels are also a powerful tool to enable privacy. Only the members of a channel will know about that channel and have access to its ledger, enabling the related business partners who form networks a space to execute deals that only they know about. Whatever the reason, the process for creating a channel is the same. Since we're creating a channel, you might be tempted to click over to the Channels tab. But there's actually a step we need to do first, which is to add org1 to the consortium. Now, what is the consortium? A consortium is the list of organizations that are allowed to create channels on a particular ordering service. Once an organization is added to this list, which is maintained by the admins of the ordering service, an organization will be able to create a channel. To do that, we must click into the ordering service and click Add Organization under the consortium members header. Then we must select the org1 MSP, as this is our peer organization. Then click Submit. Easy as that. org1 is now a member of the consortium and allowed to create channels on this ordering service. Now let's create the channel. Navigate to the Channel tab and click Create Channel. Let's give our channel a simple name, like Channel 1. The ordering service we're going to choose here is the one we created, Ordering Service. Next, we'll select organizations to add to the channel. You can select any organization that's a member of the consortium here. Although you will see the Ordering Service MSP in this drop-down list, do not select it. It is a best practice to not have the same organization that manages the ordering service also be a transacting member of a channel. So just select org1 here, and make that organization an operator. You must have at least one operator in a channel. Without one, you wouldn't be able to edit the channel, for example, to add more organizations. So you're forced to make at least one organization an operator. Next up is the channel update policy. This is what defines the number of organizations that must approve of any update to the channel configuration. Since we're only adding one organization to the channel, the only option we'll have here is 1 out of 1. But if we had added a second organization and made them an operator, we'd be able to select 1 out of 2, or 2 out of 2, and so on. After that is the Access Control List section. This is an advanced option, and we recommend using extreme caution if you want to create an access control list. It's possible to make edits here that will make your channel very difficult, if not impossible, to use, depending on the resource you change access control to. So for now, we're just going to ignore this section. Next, you will see the Advanced Configuration section, where you can select a specific level of capabilities for your channel. If you don't know what capabilities are, they are a way to ensure that all the actions on a channel are handled deterministically. During channel creation, you will only have the ability to select an application capability, which principally governs transactions between peers on application channels like the one we're creating. It is a best practice to choose the highest capability level available that corresponds to the fabric version of your peers. If you are not seeing a capability level you expect, it might be because you need to upgrade your peers to the latest fabric version. If you're unsure about the fabric version of your peers, navigate to the Nodes page and click on the peer. Lastly is the channel creator organization. Because the console gives you the option to create and manage multiple organizations and admin identities simultaneously, you have to specify who you're acting as when you sign a channel creation request. So in this case, we're creating as org1, so select org1. And you also have to specify the admin identity, which here is the org1 admin identity. When you see the Create Channel button turn blue, click it. You should see a pending tile on the channel page. This is because you haven't joined a peer to this channel. So click the pending tile and select the peer you want to join the channel. In this case, that's the only peer we have, peer org1. You will also see that this peer is being made an anchor peer by default. Anchor peers bootstrap the communication between peers in different organizations and are important for enabling features like service discovery. So leave this option enabled. Note also the state database of your peer, as every peer in this channel should use the same state database type to ensure consistency between ledgers. Note that by default, CouchDB is selected for all peers. After you have joined the channel, you can inspect it. You'll see the block height of 1. That's the config block that was created during the channel creation flow. On the Channel Details tab, you'll see nodes and channel members and any smart contracts that have been instantiated. As you can see, we currently have no smart contracts on this channel. To initiate a channel update, click this button. This will allow you to edit many of the fields you specified when creating the channel, and to perform important tasks like adding channel members. The Advanced Configuration tab allows you to edit features like the block cutting parameters and capability levels that are not available during the channel creation flow because they require the signature of an admin of the ordering service. So now that we have created a channel and joined a peer to it, we can install and instantiate a smart contract. We can add other members to our channel. We have everything we need to start transacting using the IBM Blockchain Platform console. Thank you for watching, and happy blockchaining.